Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Harvest Hymn. Today we are learning about this poem written by Sarojini Naidu. Stanza 1 is about the prayer to the sun god, Surya. The villagers thank the sun god who rises every morning and gives light and warmth. He is called the Lord of the Lotus because lotuses bloom in his light. His rays help the crops ripen, making the harvest possible. This stanza expresses gratitude for sunlight as a life-giving force. The second stanza is a prayer to the rain god Varuna. The villagers now thank Varuna, the rain god, who sends rain, dew, and moisture. He is called the Lord of the Rain. Rain is essential for seeds to sprout and fields to flourish. The stanza celebrates rain as a blessing that brings abundance. Stanza 3 is about prayer to the Mother Earth, Prithvi. The stanza expresses deep respect for Earth's generosity. Here, the farmers thank the earth for giving them fertile soil. The villagers praise Mother Earth who nourishes all living beings. She is described as sweet mother. She holds the seeds, supports the crops, and provides food for all. They acknowledge that the earth supports all life and provides base for their crops. They show respect and gratitude for this natural gift. Stanza 4 is about celebration of the harvest. The villagers gather joyfully with drums, cymbals, and flutes. They celebrate the successful harvest with music and dance. They are happy. The stanza shows unity, gratitude, and festive spirit. It ends with a prayer that the gods continue to bless them in future seasons. Summary of the poem Harvest Hymn. This poem is written by Sarojini Naidu. First, the villagers praise the sun god. They thank him for giving light and warmth every day. His rays help the plants grow and the grains ripen. Next, they thank the rain god. Rain is very important for farming. It cools the earth, waters the field, and helps seeds sprout. Without rain, there would be no crops. Then the villagers praise Mother Earth. She holds the seeds, supports the plant, and gives food to everyone. They call her a loving and powerful mother because she provides everything needed for life. Finally, the poem shows the villagers celebrating their harvest. They play drums, flutes, and cymbals. Everyone is happy and grateful. They pray that the gods will continue to bless them in future. Overall, Harvest Hymn is a simple, joyful poem that teaches us to respect nature and be thankful for the food we receive. Figures of speech, personification. Non-living things or gods of nature are spoken as if they are human. The sun, rain, and earth are treated like living beings who can bless, give, help, and care. Example, the sun is praised like a king. The earth is called a mother. These words are used to show the close, loving relationship between villagers and the nature. Figures of speech, metaphor. A direct comparison without using like or as. The sun is called Lord of the Lotus. This compares the sun to a ruler. Earth is called sweet and omnipotent mother. This compares Earth to a caring mother. This is used to show respect and highlight the power of nature. Figures of speech imagery. Words that create pictures in the reader's mind. For example, bright sunlight, falling rain and rainbow, fertile earth, villagers playing drums, flutes, and cymbals. These words are used to make the scene vivid and festive. Figures of speech alliteration. Repetition of the same consonant sound at the beginning of the words. For example, Lord of the Lotus, L sound is repeated. Sweet and strong, S sound is repeated. How does the poem show the relationship between humans and nature? The poem shows the humans depend completely on nature for food and life. The villagers thank the sun for light, the rain god for water, the mother earth for giving them a place to grow crops. They understand that without these natural forces, no harvest is possible. The poem teaches that humans must respect nature and be grateful for its gifts. It shows a friendly, caring relationship between people and the natural world. What is the role of the sun, rain, and earth in the poem? Why are they praised? The sun gives light, warmth to help plants grow. The rain god gives rain and dew, which helps seeds sprout and fields stay fresh. Mother Earth holds the seeds, supports the plants, and provides food for everyone. They are praised because each one plays an important part in the growth of crops. Without sunlight, rain, and soil, the villagers would not have any harvest. So they thank these forces for helping them. How does the poet create a joyful and festive mood? The poet creates a joyful mood by describing the villagers celebrating their harvest. They play drums, flutes, and cymbals, which makes the scene lively and musical. The villagers come together happily, showing unity and excitement. The bright images of sunlight, rainbows, and green fields also add to the cheerful feeling. The poem feels like a happy song of thanks. What is the main theme of Harvest Hymn? Explain with examples. The main theme of the poem is gratitude towards nature. The villagers thank the sun, rain god, and Mother Earth for helping their crops grow. The poem also shows unity and as everyone celebrates together. Another theme is respect for nature, because the villagers understand that their harvest depends on natural forces. The poem teaches us to appreciate the gifts of nature and be thankful for the food we receive. Why is the poem titled Harvest Hymn? The poet is called Harvest Hymn because it is like a song of praise sung during the harvest season. A harvest is when crops are collected, and a hymn is a song of thanks. In the poem, the villagers sing in gratitude to the sun, rain god, and earth for giving them a good harvest. The poem has a musical, prayer-like tone, so the title fits perfectly. Thank you, everyone.